where legendary machines and peak mechanical power turn heavy-duty work into pure art. Get ready for jaw-dropping moments and thrilling action. This self-made circular saw is an absolute monster, boasting a massive 100 centimeters, 39-inch carbide-tipped blade spinning at 1,200 RPM with enough force to slice through the toughest hardwood like butter. Powered by a tractor's PTO system or an industrial-grade motor, this beast delivers relentless cutting power, reducing a cubic meter of firewood into uniform 33-centimeter pieces in just 6 minutes. The blade's aggressive tooth design ensures a smooth, high-speed cut, while the conveyor system eliminates downtime, keeping the process lightning fast. What do you think? Would you use this beast for your firewood needs? This Petzolato TM1200 setup is an absolute beast. Imagine slicing through logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter. With a saw so precise and powerful, it makes even the toughest timber look like butter. Paired with the TB900 splitter, capable of handling up to 0.9 meter rings, this fully automated system is revolutionizing firewood processing. The TM1200's blade is engineered for maximum efficiency, combining high-speed precision cutting with an industrial-grade motor that delivers relentless power. The result? A seamless, high-output production line that transforms massive logs into perfectly split firewood in record time. It's automation, strength, and precision at its finest. The CMS horizontal log splitter, with an astounding 35 tons of splitting force, is a beast in action. Watch as it effortlessly tackles massive logs, turning them into firewood with unmatched precision. The hydraulic system powers through dense, knotty wood, making quick work of what would be a backbreaking task. The robust wedge and reinforced frame ensure durability and efficiency. Have you ever seen a log splitter this powerful? Now that is raw power in motion. The Bell Super Splitter isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature. With its 80 horsepower Cat turbo diesel engine, this beast doesn't just split logs, it obliterates them with precision. The adjustable four-way wedge ensures maximum efficiency, turning massive logs into perfect firewood in seconds. Wow, this machine is an absolute game changer in woodworking. The precision, power, and efficiency it brings to lumber processing are simply mind-blowing. Look at that massive steel saw blade slicing through entire stacks of wood with ease. turning raw, uneven planks into perfectly uniform boards in seconds. Watching this level of craftsmanship is truly admirable. Incredible. This cone splitter with 90 Newton meters torque is turning stubborn logs into firewood with sheer mechanical force. Watch as the spiral drill effortlessly bites into the wood, cracking it apart with precision and power. No axes, no back-breaking labor, just raw efficiency. It's a simple yet genius design that maximizes productivity with minimal effort. Absolutely incredible. The 1900 Lane shingle mill is a living relic of early American industry, a time when craftsmanship and raw mechanical power defined woodworking. Over a century old, yet still slicing through rough pine with the precision of a modern saw. This machine is a testament to brilliant engineering and durability. Watching the operator expertly guide the wood through its aged yet powerful blades is nothing short of mesmerizing. What do you think? Should antique machines like this be preserved for future generations? Or are modern alternatives the way forward? This horizontal craft crane turns raw logs into perfect firewood with jaw-dropping efficiency. The heavy-duty hydraulic system crushes through massive timber, slicing and splitting with absolute precision. It's a powerhouse of productivity, making back-breaking labor a thing of the past. This 2-in-1 wood chopping machine merges raw power with efficiency, making firewood production faster and smoother. The combination of a high-speed cone splitter and a mechanical feed system shreds logs effortlessly, saving time and energy. Wow, this simple, budget-friendly log cutting machine proves that efficiency doesn't have to come at a high cost. Affordable, easy to use, and practical. Would you add this to your wood-cutting setup? The Multitech 2020 SS Firewood Processor is a mid-sized professional-grade machine designed for efficiency and durability. Equipped with a 74-horsepower Kohler diesel engine, it processes 3 to 5 cords per hour, handling logs up to 20 feet long and 21 inches in diameter. Its 46-inch carbide-tipped circular saw ensures rapid cutting cycles and reduces maintenance costs. Pricing varies. A used 2020 SS with a cab was listed at $69,000. With this price, would you invest in this machine? Leave your comments below. If you're loving the video, show some support by hitting like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being amazing. Unbelievable. The Spalt Garat Mobile EHG80 splits dense hardwood in mere seconds, delivering raw, unrelenting power with surgical precision. The hydraulic force behind this machine is staggering, turning rugged logs into firewood effortlessly. It's a beast of efficiency. Ingenious. This wood chunker for gasifier fuel proves that efficiency doesn't have to come at a high price. It turns raw logs into uniform chunks, perfect for gasifier-powered vehicles, all while keeping costs low. A budget-friendly, practical solution for sustainable fuel. The Narva S23 harvester and firewood processor seamlessly transforms standing timber into neatly bagged firewood with minimal effort. Its hydraulic precision and automated cutting system ensure fast, clean, and safe processing. A true game changer for firewood production. Unbelievable power. This disc wood chipper devours massive logs in seconds, transforming them into uniform wood chips with astonishing efficiency. A true beast in the industry. How fast do you think it handled that log? The PST woodcutter, Demo 2011, slices through wood with relentless speed and precision. Its high-velocity spinning blade devours logs effortlessly, proving its efficiency in seconds. A true workhorse in wood processing. Would you trust this machine for your toughest jobs? Old but gold. This wood chunker for gasifier fuel might look vintage, but its efficiency is undeniable. It chews through logs, producing perfect chunks for gasifier-powered vehicles with impressive speed. A testament to durable engineering. What a powerhouse. Powered by a 6.8-liter turbocharged John Deere marine diesel engine, it roars with 225 horsepower at 2,600 RPM, effortlessly driving its F1119 VOAC hydraulic chainsaw motor and 25-inch bar. While manual labor takes hours and burns energy, this beast devours massive logs in seconds, turning back-breaking work into an automated marvel. Would you ever go back to old-school firewood cutting after seeing this in action? Witness ingenuity at its finest. This homemade wood splitter and tumbler redefine efficiency, turning labor-intensive wood processing into a seamless, automated routine. The splitter chews through logs like butter, delivering uniform cuts, while the tumbler masterfully sifts and cleans, leaving behind only premium firewood. Compared to the back-breaking task of manual splitting and sorting, this machine is a game changer, maximizing productivity with minimal effort. Could this be the ultimate solution for firewood processing? Let us know. The Narva H60 firewood splitter is a powerhouse in modern wood processing, delivering unmatched efficiency and precision. With a splitting force of up to 60 tons, this machine makes quick work of even the toughest logs, ensuring seamless operation in demanding conditions. The cycle time is approximately 3 to 5 seconds, allowing for rapid processing without compromising power. In my experience, few splitters combine such raw strength with efficiency. If you're loving the video, show some support by hitting like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being amazing. With raw power and precision, this firewood splitter turns stubborn logs into neat, ready-to-burn pieces in seconds. The hydraulic force behind this beast makes splitting look effortless, tackling even the toughest, knottiest wood with ease. Gone are the days of back-breaking axe work. This machine transforms laborious chopping into a smooth, efficient operation. Watching that blade slice through solid wood like butter is mesmerizing. Just look at that precision. The way this machine effortlessly drives through a solid block of wood is nothing short of mesmerizing. The spiral cone drill bites in with unrelenting force, peeling apart fibers like they're nothing. The rhythmic sound of cracking wood and the clean, seamless split are deeply satisfying. It's raw power and efficiency combined into one hypnotic motion. The 8000 series firewood processor is a powerhouse in the realm of wood processing. Designed to handle large logs with ease, it features a robust 60-inch Simon circular saw and a 7-inch, 56-ton splitter cylinder, ensuring rapid and efficient cutting and splitting. Operators can choose between 8-way and 16-way splitting wedges, allowing for customizable output sizes. Investing in this processor could significantly boost your firewood production efficiency. Would this machine meet your processing needs? This firewood splitter is an absolute monster. It crushes through logs like a raging beast, turning thick, unyielding wood into manageable pieces with sheer brute force. Built for serious work, this home-engineered marvel boasts an enormous hydraulic cylinder, delivering relentless splitting power, making light work of even the toughest hardwoods. A true masterpiece of ingenuity and raw power. A simple yet brilliantly effective design, the screw shift splitter proves that affordability doesn't mean sacrificing power. Just watch how effortlessly this machine tears through solid wood, using rotational force to drive logs apart with precision. No complex hydraulics, no excessive fuel consumption, just raw efficiency at work. Compact, efficient, and built for practicality, this Shoal Car wood splitter is a game changer for home firewood processing. With a straightforward design that takes up minimal space and weighs just 20 kilograms, it delivers impressive splitting power without the bulk of industrial machines. Its simplicity makes it perfect for everyday use, proving that you don't need a massive setup for effective wood splitting. Could this be the perfect solution for your firewood needs? It's fun to watch these machines work. Simple, yet incredibly effective. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch our next thrilling video. Click the playlist on the right for more incredible moments and the newest video on the left. You won't believe the heart-stopping scenes waiting for you. Click now and don't miss out.